back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about word problems. First I am explaining this word problem. 1683 fruit jam bottles were packed in equally in 9 boxes. You have to find the number of bottles packed in a box. So, first we will write the statements. Total number of jam bottles are bottles are 1683. They were packed in how many boxes? 9 boxes. Number of boxes? Bottles in one box. We have to divide the both numbers. 1683 divided by 9. So now we will divide these both numbers. First we will make the column. You will write this number here and divisor will be here. 1 is smaller than 9, so we will take 16. Does 16 come in the table of 9? No. So we will take 9. 9 ones are 9. 6 minus 9 is not possible, so we will borrow. It will be 16 and it will be 0. 16 minus 9, 7, and here will be 0. So now 8 will come down, it will be 78. Does 78 comes in the table of 9? No. So we will take 9 8s as 72. 8 will come here and 72 will be here. So we will minus them. 8 minus 2, 6. 0. 7 minus 7, 0. Then 3 will come down. In 9 tables, does 3 come? Yes. So we will take 9 7s are 63. We will write answer. We will write here bottles in one box. Bottles in one box. 187. So this is enough for today. I hope you like this video. Please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.